A switch case statement. A switch case statement is based on a case value that is assigned with help of a constant. And based on the case value of the constant, a particular code block executes. For example, if the case value is assigned is so that the constant one makes a match with it, then code block will be executed. Or in case if the constant 2 makes a match with the case value, case condition, then code block 2 will be executed. Or else if the constant value 3 makes a match with the case condition been assigned, then code block 3 will be executed and so on. In case none of the constant values matches with the case condition that has been assigned, the default code will be executed. Now let us analyze the situation with help of a simple C# code. Yeah, here we have got C assigned to be 2, that is deciding the uh, constant value for which the case should get activated. Now for A and B are the two operands with respect to which we are actually interested to get a certain set of operations here. And that will be decided by the case condition C equal to 2. And we can see that C equal to 1 will not be applicable because C is 2 condition. Hence the addition, sum of the integers A plus will be omitted. And in case the case 2 will be executed because case condition 2 has been assigned. In this case, the product of the two integers A star will be executed, and we know that 25, 125 will come as a display. In this particular situation, the case 3 also will be neglected because case condition 2 was already been assigned and case 2 took up the operation. Hence, case 3 will no more have a chance of getting operated over here, and default also will not be coming up into application. So this is how a simplest of the switch case statement works. Now let us analyze the whole situation, the same thing in a Visual Studio environment, and try to understand how exactly it gets operated. Yeah, this is a particular situation where the C in C, A, B, and C, A, and B are assigned, declared, as C is actually deciding what kind of operation you're intended to perform. And it is a runtime environment, and the runtime environment, we have to give the option for the C value, the constant value for the switch case statement, and that is undertaken by the C. And A and B are the two operand values that we are feeding at the runtime environment. And based on that, the A and B will take up the operation based on the condition that is assigned by the C. And C, if C is put as 3, it will do the multiplication of the 2. Now let us analyze the situation by means of a debugger. We go for the start button and we go for the execution of the page. Where we are waiting for the page where exactly the output is available. As we go for share of the page, as we can see that the computer is asking for the input value for which we need to get operated. So we can give the option for 3. Now we can see that they enter the numbers with the two operand values. So we can give it as 25 and 25. And we can see the product exactly doing the multiplication of the 2. That means the case 3 got activated here. This is how the simplest of the switch case statement works.